Swap over stream, close this tab. Open this one. And we're back on YouTube. I kind of forgot about it for like half a second. Hi Sam. All right. Let's save the swap over thing on Twitter or Twitch and Kick. And pull out the SAMMI program. There we go. Unforeseen consequences. Oh, do you know what we can do? We can make the Fallout 4, Fallout 4, Fallout New Vegas, Fallout 3, funny message. Just a second. Can I get a screenshot of the message? There's gotta be a screenshot. Okay, this message right here. I need to find the assets around it. I don't know if I'd use the Fallout Boy face. Ooh, what do you mean? What are you oohing about? What are you oohing about? I'll give you something to ooh about. I'm gonna do a 3-minute ad on Twitch, and I'm gonna be back. And I'm gonna BRB. I'll be back in a sec. Well, I'll give you something to ooh about. He forgot us. Yeah. I'm streaming. I'm streaming to YouTube. What do you mean? For 1 sec? Oh, okay. That's what you mean. Okay. I'll be back in a sec. I return. Did the music stop? Okay, no, it's good. Hi, Ruka. Eureka. Hello, all of the best, and have a great day. Thank y'all. You have been become addicted to sniffing fluff. No, it just relooped. Yeah, when I got I figured it out. I figured it out when it like started playing again. But if I want to make this a funny redeem, I have to figure out walk in the face with a peeing sign. Oh yeah, I should probably turn that off now. Sorry, that stay. That's sorry. It's just very. Oh, I guess you didn't really see the full message a second because it wasn't on top. You can see the full message here. It's a BRB, little BRB group thingy. Okay, so if I want to make this a redeem thing, I need to find all the assets associated with it. I'm not sure exactly where I can get a clean version of these. You'd think wiki, but this is a fandom. This is not gonna have anything good on it. This is the Fallout.wiki. You can find the Fall Out Boy head on the wiki, I think. The rest is just font and a line you can draw yourself. I could draw the line. I'm very autistic about it, so if I can get that, just import that line I wanna. I can get the just a second. I can get the Fallout head and it's like non-colored one. If I commission someone to make a like version of the Fallout Boy head thing, but it's me instead, that'd be cool. I'll probably have the normal one as a placeholder for a second. Fallout HUD assets. Link. There's a lot of Nexus mod links when I look up Fallout HUD access. You have to put it. You'll have to put is through a couple filters, I think. I think it. I think it stores the information, like the different versions. I don't think it. Oh, I put it. Okay, thank you. Yeah, no, this is the thing I saw earlier. There has to be the like original one around here somewhere. Usually you'd find it on the wiki, but Fandom Wiki is kind of low on the images, it seems. I mean, it has some of these, but it has a gallery here. The Fallout 76 Conditions one has a bunch of different faces. I want to see if I go to like Fallout New Vegas and go to Conditions, if it'll show me some. Check your Discord, look what I found scrolling in the Google image. That sure is something. Okay, let me... Oh, like if you go to character condition, in combat, gameplay, character condition, it has a black and white. I'm pretty sure I just need to find the black and whites. Hey, Peter Mantis! I'm a simple man. I see feet in the thumbnail. I click on it. It's a paw, and that it was a mistake. I'm fully protected right now. Sorry. Look, I'm fully protected right now. There's nothing you can do. Unbeans your toes. Showing feet on YouTube while we on Twitch don't get nothing. It's the thumbnail. I made a slight lapse in my judgment. What betrayal? A slight lapse in my judgment. Now, this is the service I'm not paying for. Betrayal. Okay. Yeah, no. There's got to be a place that has like an image dump of the HUD assets. There's got to be somewhere that's done it. Okay, maybe... The thing is, the Fallout 76 addiction thing has a different face than the New Vegas. Is there only addiction page for 76 for some reason? Okay, no, there's other ones, but it doesn't have the face. Posted one in your Discord. Yeah, that's the one for the 76 addiction thing. I kind of want the New Vegas one. I don't know. I mean, wouldn't be hard to modify this. But again, it's a different one. First, make it black and white. Brightness, constant contrast. If I do curves? It's not a PNG though. Oh, you posted another, it's not PNG though. Oh. Yeah, that one. Well, I mean, that one worked. Yeah, that one's good. I like that. That's I like that one kind of out of the other ones. You can see what I turned, a second. I'll show it on screen real quick. Put it in the Discord, but I was able to get this. One would think you would have this easily accessible given how dedicated the Fallout fandom is. Yeah, no, it's one. Sometimes it's weird. Minecraft, if you go on the wiki, I'm pretty sure you can find every sound the game makes just on the wiki. Like you look up ghast, every sound the ghast makes there. Probably get the textures from it too. Oh, I guess it's because it's a more moddable game. It's a bit more moddable of a game than Fallout games. Also, you can see this one's a little bit rough, but if I save this, I made it a little bit better, a little bit more in line with it. Exclamation mark gay is not a command. 500 points deducted as a penalty. Hi, James. Hi. Okay. Follow boy smiling HUD image. Small boy, follow boy smiling HUD image. Can that get to me? There's gotta be someplace. I need a collection of Fall Out Boy PNG images for a project I'm working on. There's a link on the... Okay. Fall Out Boy images. That's called Vault Boy. I don't think the resolution would be a problem if it was going to appear in the corner. Yeah, kinda. I don't know. It's... Well, this is just like, this just shows you where all images on the wiki are. Is there an easier format to look at this from? I'm still not seeing what I'm looking, what I want to find. I guess I search up Fall Boy instead of Vault Boy. Fall Boy Vault Boy expressions. Being recently played. Notice how Fall Boy has different facial expressions. Oh, this is just people asking for thoughts. Oh? Images? Dang. Oh. Dang it. I found something that's like really cool, but it's none of them. Look what I found. Oops. Great. None of these are the heads. Oh, do you want so sad? 13 years ago, my favorite one is the face of Fallout 3 and New Vegas. He makes when there's a critical hit, you know, he looks all smug about it. Smug in it. Know what I'm talking about? I've never been able to find a standalone photo of it. This one, it's not that one. And the person says, sorry, maybe I described it wrong. It's just his face smiling all smug. 13 years ago. No response on that one. I think I'm just gonna have to use the what you got me. Oh, it's kind of tough with the artifacting around it. Give it a drop shadow. No distance. Oops. Brightness. Problem with the other one is it has a background, and when I try to get rid of the background, just a second. I mean, I guess it wouldn't be that noticeable. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm a little too much of a perfectionist. Their face is shaped differently, isn't it? I don't know. It just... Maybe I'll just use this one. I still need to give it some color, though. Should I do that? I can do that through filters. I could do it through filters, or I could do it... Thinking. Let's think about where this is going to be placed on the screen. I might never play Fallout now because of that okay face. That's in 76. That's in 76. You don't have to play 76. I'm sure eventually I can get a rip of the other face. I thought you were serious for a second. What do you mean you thought I was serious? Serious about what? There we go. That's pretty good. Sorry, I just flipped it. Oh, wait, no, it's not. Wait, why didn't I just pick the color of the face instead? I'm stupid. Filters. That's better now. Alright. Okay. Alright, we're gonna change which properties, browse, quick access. There you go. We have this now. It still needs to be modified so it's fading. How about that? Maybe the whole thing needs to be... Does it need to be darker or does it need to be... Maybe crop the orange pig cam person instead? Crop the pig cam? That'd be kind of funny if I turned the pig cam into the head. Alright, properties, filters, copy, filters, color correction. Paste. Look! Look, now it's Fallout New Vegas. Look, it's Fallout New Vegas now. The pig cam's now Fallout New Vegas colored. Also, it's kind of creepy just... Oh, it's kind of creepy just having this. I'm sure it's fine like that. I'll leave it like that for a while. Is that good? That kind of works. Ooh, wait, what about that? Oh, that kind of works. That kind of works. Okay. Okay. Actually, copy. Okay, now it is in the SAMMI scene. Let's add text. Alright, what was the font for... Wait, I think I have the font. Pretty sure I have it downloaded. What was it called? Monofonto. I think it's Monofonto. Do I have... Can I use Monofonto here? I don't see an OBS. That's interesting. Why is it like that? Usually you can see the fonts I downloaded. Don't tell me I need to close, or I think I need to close and reopen my OBS for it to register the new font. What's a similar font? Just MS Gothic for now. $100. Yeah, become addicted to... Okay. property, no, filters, copy, property, filters, paste. Let's add drop shadow. No shadow distance. Okay. It's kind of not legible if it doesn't. Ooh, I know what I need. What I can do. Actually. Oops. Crop pad. Minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. Okay. Okay, how's that? It's pretty good. Okay, hardness, low, increase size by a bunch. Okay, how about that? Now it has a slight backdrop thing to it. This is what it looked like with a bit more. That's a bit too much. I don't know if it's needed. I don't know. I think we could properties. Filters, increase the crop pad by just a 50, minus 50 all around. Add another shadow. Yeah, that's pretty good. Once I change the font, it should be better too. One thing I'm gonna have issues with because I need to restrict the amount people can put in this, or else the text is just gonna keep going and going. Custom text extends. Okay. Actually, let me... Okay, now, yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. I don't even have to mess around with any custom stuff. Okay, now I grab this. I think we're getting close to being able to implement this. It seems like something that would take longer to implement, but no, it doesn't take too long. Most of it is just faffing about with the... You don't like it? You don't like my redeems? It still does not strike. It's not striking from the background so much. Wait. Just do my own VC. Okay, it's a bit more readable, legible. It's a bit of a complex background this is going on top of too. Right, I think filters. Wait, I think this is going in the wrong direction. Huh? Okay, I think that's better. Actually, properties, filters, copy. There you go, that's a bit better. Anyway, now technically I should do is make it into 3 different parts. The head is like a different asset because then I can swap it out if I want to use it for other stuff. But anyway, bring out SAMMI. Let's make a new button. Should I name it addiction? Addicted? I'm just Ling Ling. Hi. I'm just Hi Smuggums. Hi. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to get all the code from. Yeah, Ling Ling. Let's copy all this code. We're just gonna copy all the code from this. Paste it in here, and then just start figuring out what we need to. Do we need trigger type? Oh yeah, and we need trigger type because of the cross-platform integration. we go. I don't need to get redeem list. I don't need to redeem file path. Why do I have viewer points? I don't need viewer points. Something else is gonna get that. Get username, get ID, all good stuff. Let's name it addiction type. We need to say, oh wait. I don't need to check to see if the redeem exists. Not redeem. Oh, this is a different thing. I don't need to set a default point cost or play time. Actually, what we can do. Huh, okay. Morning. I'm so horny. Morning. I have to check to see if the redeem exists. Technically, I want to delay, but I don't want to do a delay right now. I'll do a delay sometime later. I can just do a natural delay through the button. That's fine. I'm saying, hey, bland beans. Hi. You want some baked beans? Bam, baked beans. Bam. Opposite of bland. Bam. Okay, I don't need this. We're not gonna check to see all this stuff. His member, his owner is not important. Sure. I'll show it again. I'll show it again. Bam. Bam. Baked beans. Bam. Yummy. Twitch trigger. Reward ID, redeem ID, username, wildcard. Wait, oh, we don't want redeem name, we want... Oh, I can't search. We're gonna save this real quick. Click OK, click save. I'm gonna close SAMMI for a second. Honestly, there's not really any problem with closing and reopening SAMMI from what I've seen. Sometimes we might need to run this. It's fine. Okay. Fiction. Okay. Channel point redemption. Message. We need message. Just name this addiction type. Don't need this. Oh yeah, we don't need to check to see if the redeem exists. Check the time. Don't need to check to see if it's on cooldown. Doesn't need to check all of this. I'm gonna just fulfill redeem. Save current time. We can change this a little bit. We don't need if is hidden. If it is hidden false, so that's fine. We don't need to check key. We don't need to change his positioning. We do need to change text. We don't need to change image. That should be good. Make them visible. Oh, we need the addiction sound effect. I found a YouTube video, Fallout New Vegas chems addicted sound effect. First comment I see, or well, the top comment. Oh, come on, it was one sip of beer. Are you heading to bed, Foxboy? Good night. Night, Daniel. Night, have a good one. Thank you for watching. All right, so now redeem. Well, we can put in the redeem thing. Wait, why is? Oh wait, no, I don't want MP4. I want MP3. Save. Actually, my OBS. Add media source. Is that immediately play? Oh, that's the video. Whoops. Wait. Alright. That's the MP3. Does it have an attached image? Just a second. Oh, oh gosh. Yes. That's an attached image, so now it shows that. Oh. Why is that not showing up as a thing I can change? Oh, wait, is it because properties. I don't want to show the image. Remove image attached MP3. Properties, details. No. I'm just confused. Is it because I have an MP? No. OBS MP3 showing image. Wait, I can just put this somewhere you can't see the image. There you go. Okay, now I can hear it as well. Lower its volume. Okay, every time it appears, it... Okay, just a second. I can just make this really small is another thing. Actually, you know what? Filters. Color correction. Oh. Color correction. There we go. Now we don't have to deal with that. Why didn't I hear it then? What? Why am I not hearing it now? I literally set it to only monitor and you could hear it, not me. No, that doesn't change. I could hear it. Wait a minute, is it just really quiet to me? I swear I heard it for a second. Okay. What? If I start playing the sound, move it to a different spot, and then play the sound. I don't get what's going on here. It's being wacky. Okay, I do not know. Just a second. It still has that. Why? I don't. It is being so wacky right now. Let's delete this and add a new one. Still has image. Sorry about that peeking. I can hear it just fine. Oops. Now I can't hear it. I don't get it. Okay, we'll just not use that for now. We'll try to fix it later. For now, we'll just use a sound effect with this thing. Okay. The diction thing should honestly just work like instantly already. Actually save. Triggers. Save. Triggers. Redeem. Actually, I need to use this. No, not this one. There it is. Cost 500 for now. Save, run. That should be, yep, that's there. Save. Trigger. Channel point redemption. Addiction. Save. I think it should work now. Let me test it. Crack. Yeah, that didn't work. Did I even get my alert message? Okay, I did get... Oh, wait, I completely forgot. Wait, no. Actually, is that the problem? Because I had that and that wasn't... Target scene. What am I getting wrong? Okay, now... all those tests go through. Wait. Did it work? I saw the thing go away. Oh, let's go, baby. I probably want to set it up so it fades in, fades out. Because it doesn't look so good when it doesn't do that. But it's mostly done. Let me see something. Okay. I'm not gonna hear it, but hopefully you guys hear it. Tell me you guys hear it. Does the sound go through? Actually, I can just check myself. Didn't hear anything. Oh wait, I think I know. Filters. There you go. This time it should. Yeah, okay, that went through. I still need to adjust. I don't know why I can't hear it. I don't know why I can't hear it. I probably, once I say close and reopen OBS, I'll fix it. Now it's audible. Good. Okay. Is it good volume wise? It seems like a good volume wise. It went just below yellow. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. What's interesting how I considered that not part of the... Huh. I didn't consider the punctuation something to drag along. Huh. Okay, so, I mean, that's done. I'm getting a little tired. I feel bad if that's the only thing I did this stream. I mean, what? Okay, you know what we should do? Right now it's just toggling on and off. Okay, transparency, and then add. Does it move value? It's a move value. Turn off. Set this to 0. Why does this have... Why is this instant? Why can't I see it? Oh, I see. Why does it turn off when instant? Okay, no, that works now. Do we have the same time for fade in, fade out? That's a second to fade out, half a second, a third of a second to fade in. I kind of like it fading out, taking longer. We could do twice as long. Fallout reference. How was your nickname? Yeah, Fallout reference. You'll see in a second. I just need to change some stuff. Copy. Filters. Paste. Filters. Copy. Filters. Paste. Filters. Copy. And then filters. Paste. That should be good. Now we'll go into here. Change filter visibility. Filter. Can I see? Oh, it's probably because it's targeting with that it can't find the filter. Save. Does this work? A. Test. Oh, it works perfectly. It works perfectly. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, nickname. I was. I think it fades in too fast. What do you think about it? 500 points. I slide it over to you. 500 points. What do you think about it? I think it fades in too fast. I'm addicted to funny redeems. Yippee-yay, there'll be no wedding bells today. I got spurs that jingle, jingle, jingle. I was actually trying to get a different face, but we weren't able to get a clean version of it. This one, or we weren't able to get a clean version of this one. This one, yeah. I kind of like it a little bit more than the tongue sticking out one. But at some point, I might just commission someone to make a Miified version of the Vault Boy face for it. Because I'm just so egotistical. I'm so upset right now, I can't hear the noise. I can't hear the noise of the redeem. Would make sense, yeah. Also, I think I can get the font. I just have to close my OBS. I have the font, and I think I just need to reopen my OBS for it to recognize the font's been downloaded, which is really annoying. It's really annoying that OBS needs to be relaunched to recognize a new font. It was like that last time. The font thing? I probably mentioned that before. Did I say that during the bonfire font? I don't even remember if I downloaded... I must have. Yeah, I downloaded the specific font for the bonfire. Yeah, when you made bonfire, you had to restart too. I just don't find it worth it. Next time you see the thing, I'll be able to change the font to the new one. But for now, no. If I grouped some of this stuff, I'd lowered the amount of filters I need and the amount of code running. I just need some time to settle. Yeah. Just need some time to Seattle. Just need some time to see cattle. I just thought of something really funny. I could make it... Actually, I think I need to use it through AutoHotkey script because this doesn't have any fancy sort of pop-up. The pop-up is very basic. I think I could do it through AutoHotkey script so that When I get a hydrate, it'll pop up. I have to click to confirm. If I click, well, I mean, do not redeem. I could make a thing where as soon as I close out like a pop-up, it confirms the redeem and removes it from the list. Huh. Actually, if I was like a wizard without a hotkey script and SAMMI and stuff, I'd be able to make a window, like a window that has all my, that basically just a copy of all the redeems, kind of like the redeem manager thing that I can just click through. And again, can I have that just popped out? You're taking a sip from your trusty vault canteen. I hate it. I can't hear the noise. So I can't like confirm that it went through. What was the other one I was thinking of? There's another one I was thinking of, like a gamified. I don't remember what it was. Some gain notification. Like the bonfire is a similar thing, but I swear I was thinking of like a third. I think it's funny. I could make a redeem that if you type the name of an OBS source correctly, it just highlights it. With addictions? Oh yeah, addiction, not addicted. Yeah. Maybe I should have it like multi-named. No, I mistyped the command. Well, I mean, yeah, but I don't know. Maybe addicted is more intuitive. That's what I was gonna name it originally, and then I changed it to addiction. Good progress. I don't think there should be so many delays on this thing. But I have no clue. No. I think the tech that one shouldn't have a delay. Oh, thank you for the raid, CryoCat VT. Thank you, thank you. Hi, CryoCat. I'm at hi Raiders. I'm edit.exe, idiot foxboy. I'm messing around with SAMMI program right now. I'm the head Neko to mo ton. You wanna see something cool that I just made? Oh, thank you for doing the shout out thing. Check it out. Oh yeah, enjoy. What do you think? Right now I can't hear the redeem noise personally. You did, yeah. There's a cooler. I want to show my redeem. You did see the redeem, right? Nope. How are ya? You doing some what the complicated stuff? It looks like. Did you see the redeem? Actually, if I close this. Wow. Did you not know about that one? Did you not know I had that one? If I close Sammy, the thing will be more noticed. Murder! Look at this. Have you never seen the kill streamer one? I've semi-recently made it so that Twitch chat can redeem it. It annoys me so much. I started out with Sammy for YouTube, but it works better for Twitch. I don't think so. What other ones I got? You ever see the bonfire command? You like it? I'm trying to think of other video gamey things, redeem thingies. Because kill streamers, Psychopomp, bonfires, Dark Souls, obviously. Addictions, obviously, New Vegas or Fallout, just Fallout in general. I feel like there's one that I was thinking of before that would be good, but I can't think of it right now. Something else where it's like a HUD element that appears. Want to do stuff like that? Well, then start messing around with Sammy. It's not that complicated. Look, there's only the addiction thing only has like a few blocks of code. It only has 42 blocks of code, and some of them are comments. And to be fair, part of the reason why this has a good more chunk of code is because that's rude. Oh boy. Part of the reason why it has a good chunk I made it so that both YouTube and Twitch go through the same button. There's also some other stuff where I'm making sure that it's easier to modify. Like I'm setting a local variable for which scene this thing is in, a local variable for the image and the text. I just realized this could just go in here. It's elementary. I mean, I can literally go through all the code. Trigger type. I need to do trigger type because I have YouTube and Twitch triggers. On YouTube, it's triggered by a message. On Twitch, it's triggered by the redemption thing. This is just debug stuff that tells me information. Then I make a switch case, a switch statement, which is like an if else, but nicer. I then check to see basically which trigger it is. If it's 18, it's the YouTube message trigger. Then it goes into this code. If it is the Twitch redemption trigger, it's 3, so it goes into this code. It gets the reward ID, redeem ID, basically just the IDs for the redeem in the Twitch interface, because it's gonna have to pass that information. I think it needs to pass that information. Yeah, and it needs to. All this is doing is just passing it to here, so it can fulfill the redeem automatically, so it doesn't clog my redeems. I have to check for like a reject or a fulfill. Username, I'm just grabbing the username. I don't actually need to do that. That's completely unnecessary. I don't need to grab the username. Addiction type is just the message. You know, when you redeem something, the optional, well, not optional, the attached text, that's some redemptions. This is just that. I'm pulling that value. I'm naming it addiction type as a variable. Fulfilling the redeem. And then in here, I could simplify this a little bit, but I'm changing the text because channel points well spent. I literally tried to type in ! addiction to the thing. I changed the text because the text is different every time it appears. So I have the text, you have become addicted to space, and then whatever message was attached to the redeem. Once I change that text, I turn on 2 filters. I'm turning on a filter in OBS that changes a different filter to change the opacity. I saw that. Cool. Yeah. Oh, did you not see it before? It looks better if I toggle SAMMI off for a second. You can see it better. But anyway, the reason why it's fading in and fading out instead of just abruptly appearing and disappearing is because in OBS I have a plugin called Move. It's just called Move, which allows you to change values over a course of time. So I have a filter on the 2 objects I'm making appear that is just the transparency. It's a color correction, but I just named it transparency. And the filter that I'm turning on, the turn on for the image, changes the transparency of, changes the value of the transparency of that filter to 1 or 0. The opposite. It makes it like fully opaque. And then when I trigger this one, it over the course of 600 milliseconds, it changes it back to fully transparent. This is a little complicated. Media restart. The reason why I kind of prefer making a OBS media source and then just toggling that, restarting it to make the sound, rather than having the sound through here. Because I think if SAMMI's been running for too long, it stops making the noises. So I'd rather just have OBS deal with making the noises. So I just restart a media that has the sound effect that I want to play. And that's oh, then I have a little wait thing that waits 100 milliseconds. Oh no, I'm not waiting 100 milliseconds. I'm waiting for playtime, which is 3000 milliseconds, which is 3 seconds, and then I fade everything back out. Purely elementary. Maybe at some point I'll like really refine a SAMMI redeem, and I'll just have it like, I'll let just anyone have it. I must lurk, but thank you for showing me. It's all so cool to add for your favorite video games. I wanted to do something similar for notifications. I can at some point show you how to do something. Are you in my Discord? You can message me if you're in my Discord. Oh, a really funny thing I've done with SAMMI, which is also really simple code. I think I put in utility. Notify YT. Oh. I ignore that. Actually, look at notified Twitch. Sorry, I am not, but I'll join. All right, notify Twitch. All this redeem does is it checks to see if a message is sent in Twitch. If a message is sent to Twitch, it restarts this media sound. So every time anyone, and this media sound on OBS is purely monitor. So only I hear it. So anytime someone says anything on Twitch, and also anything on YouTube, I have the same thing for YouTube, I hear a little notification noise. So anytime anyone chats, I have a little ding, whatever, in my ear that's telling me that Twitch or YouTube, someone sent a message. Which is a little psycho. A little psychomantis. But I find it kind of useful, though it's kind of a little too easy to tune out. I find it useful because it can help me if YouTube stops updating its chat. I can actually still hear when a message goes through, and I can restart my chat for that. And if I'm just not looking at chat, I just do not notice when a chat goes through. For some reason, I still get a sound. So I can go based on that. Boom, 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 boom. Do, 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 do. Huh. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna go for. Maybe I should go for like an hour more and then go. I'm getting all tired. I don't know what to do next. Curse that the addiction one not taking too long to finish. Technically, I guess it took 2 hours to finish that. Ignore all the forbidden commands that I literally take away points if someone types in. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Forbidden commands as in they're not commands, but I still take people's points away for just for the gall of typing. My greed, it sickens me. Point I should try to fix this, but I don't really want to go into the filters needed for that. Man, I'm way too lazy. I've done one thing. I'm done. I'm effing done. Do I have silence as a? I think yeah. No, I did set it up so you can do silence to Twitch. Chameleon, I haven't done. Maybe I just need to make like a even more streamlined system. More functions or something. Oh, I want to eventually do a donathon thing after I'm done with all my obligations. And it'd be kind of cool to have the SAMMI program deal with the number. What I want to do is whenever like whenever like time is added to the timer. Oh, there's like a cool thing I want to do. I need 2 text values to do this. Timer. Crop pad. Copy. Duplicate. I don't want a reference. The alignment thing doesn't matter here. Okay, this. Top right. Top right. Let's give this filters. .3D effect. .3D effect. I care about rotation. I care about position. And move sort. No, it's not move source, which is move value. Name this one merge. Filter. 3D effect. Single setting. Y position. There we go. Would be under or on top of it. Maybe it should be. This should be on top of it. How does this work? Oops. There you go. We could also add, oh, my tracking's been stopped. Oh, there you go. Color correction. Transparency. Transparency, single setting. Capacity. Good. Copy, paste. Check. I hate this. Disconnect. Connect to. There you go. Next move. Disappear. Disappear's next move is reset. Reset's next move is merge. Merge's next move, I think I already did. Okay, so look. Oh. Reset's next one, no, reset's next one is appear. And then appears next one is merge. There you go. Watch this. This will be like the animation for like time being added to the timer. Okay, 1 hour at least. Isn't that kind of cool? I think it needs to be a little slower though. I don't know. I think it's cool that I can make just like an animation of for like adding time to the timer instead of just having like you just up. Isn't that cool? It's beautiful. But I definitely want to do something like that when I do a Foxer has dementia. I'm here since 2 hours. Yeah, but then you don't talk for a while and then you just like disappear from my mental. Yeah, neat. But needs my employee instance. The white time really needs to increment though. Oh yeah, no, this was just the animation for. I think incrementing it would require me to. That would require SAMMI stuff. The stuff I just did was like really quick, just completely in OBS. Literally all this is okay. The thing has 8 filters. 2 of the filters don't matter. Well, okay, one of the like this one's stroke and it doesn't matter. Another one's the crop, and without it, it kind of doesn't go onto it. One of them's transparency, so it's just fade out, fade in, and the other one's the 3D effect. I think it's funny I can just turn these off and on. So it's literally just moving these back and forth and making it appear and disappear. Yes, my backing book came destroyed into my home, so I needed to write email and ask other dealers if I can pay extra for better package if I buy from them. Oh my gosh, that does not sound fun. All right. Pa, 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 pa. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I'm just trying to turn it off. There you go, I turned it off. Sadly, I can't find a high-resolution version of the happy bald boy face. Only 128 by 128. Oh, if you have that, can you post that? Is it like transparency thing? Apparently, they didn't add it to Fallout 4 at all, and the textures New Vegas are teeny. Huh. I mean, that size might be fine. What is the size? Let me check what size I'm using for. A second. That's about the size I had. 130 width, 170 height is the thing I have for the other one. So it's honestly not that much different. Thank you. Nice. Thank you, nickname. No, I can't even find basic receipt for stuff on the internet, so those ancient books from 2001 are worth gold. Oh, part of it's transparent. Oh. Resize. Okay, a second. Old image. No. It's a little choppier, but I do kind of like it. Nick is a glow. What? There you go. Yeah, it glows. Nick is a glow. He confirmed it glows in his pants. No, I'm not. And you know glowies can't lie if you ask them about it. Only 12. And I don't even have breakfast. Heater is off. And more. Don't say hello again when I come back. Welcome back will be enough. I'm probably gonna finish pretty soon. I'm getting tired. It's 3:30. I'm just, hey, Henry the Mo. Hey. Yeah, I think I'll finish up now. The redeem did not lie. Funny it was. Funny it was. What did I name the funny gif and sound? Oh, did Henry the Mo? You see? You probably saw my new one. Finish with SAMMI or with streaming for the day as a whole? Both. Why is it getting heavy again? Curses. I liked it when my sleep schedule was fixed and I could go for like till it was like 7 a.m. He's ending the day for us all. Yeah, I'm clicking the end day button and it causes the entire day to just skip forward until the next day. He hates us. Yeah. Alright, let me... No, we're not real. If you take your meds or end stream, we vanish. On YouTube, thank you for watching Yuka Irika. Thank you for watching Last Sam. Thank you for watching Peter Mandas. Thank you for watching Chimes. Thank you for watching Poochie. Thank you for watching Lin. Thank you for watching Schmuggums. Thank you for watching Rudy. Thank you for watching Daniel Sierra. Thank you for watching Nickname. And on Twitch, it's going to be long because I have both the previous stream and this stream's Twitch. Thank you for watching Integrity No. Thank you for watching Esler. Thank you for watching Tommy. Thank you for watching V3X Roll. Thank you for watching Nickname. Thank you for watching Moonman. Thank you for watching Enjoy. Thank you for watching Mister. Thank you for watching JKVT. Thank you for watching The Shy Shoda. Thank you for watching Tragedy Again. Thank you for watching Sweet Maddie Gumdrops. Thank you for watching Gumdrops. Thank you for watching Ichiro Okawa. Thank you for watching Dagiwara. Thank you for watching Old Man Windbreaker. Thank you for watching Fifth Venom. Thank you for watching Twitchy Buggy. Thank you for rating Twitchy Buggy. Thank you for watching Henry the Moo. Thank you for watching Seki. Thank you for watching Cheng Satomi. Thank you for watching Oxtanaya. Thank you for watching Smug Suck. Thank you for watching Kiwi Week. And continuously on Twitch. Thank you for watching Bland Beans. Thank you for watching Rudy. Thank you for watching Mr. Thank you for watching Integrity No. Thank you for watching Lop. Thank you for watching Cryocat VT. Thank you for rating Cryocat VT. Thank you for watching Neko Tomo Ton. Thank you for watching Enjoy. Thank you for watching Henry the Moo. Alright. That's all of them. Let me look for raids and all that. Why doesn't it show me who's streaming that I'm subscribed to on my subscriptions? I'm subscribed to people. It doesn't put the people that are streaming at the very top of that list like it should. Hamstrudel. That's new, I have that too. But it doesn't do that? YouTube is just stupid. Yeah, it's... I literally look at my subscription list on the left to see who's currently streaming for Raid. So many things, you'll cease to be a fox, for you'll be a horse. A little horse. Hey Doc, I've been a little horse. Oh, that sounds terrible. No, he's actually quite nice. You want to pet him? I love that one. Alright, so that's ready on there, and then we're streaming. Okay, I'm gonna raid Noah Noel. I don't have anyone really much of anyone else to raid right now. Alright, have a good one. I'm raiding Cruz on YouTube and Noah Noel on Twitch. I see you in Hamstrudel. Hamstrudel. Das guten Hamstrudel. You may now proceed to shoot me dead for the crime of bad pun. True, so effing true. Cruz on YouTube is playing Monster Hunter something. Oh, I think old Monster Hunter, and Noah Noel is playing some sort of spooky game. Alright.